Dysgu Cymraeg gyda Dadi! Yay! Dadi, beth yw reina?
Pardon?
Dadi, ymlaen! Ond Dadi, dydy ni ddim yn gorfod gwisgo reina achos ni'n dysgu Cymraeg. Right, nawr ni'n barod. Dadi, wyt ti barod? That means, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I do.
Yay! Daddy, we've got a challenge for you. Are you ready to speak some more Welsh at home?
I do.
Daddy! Daddy, you would only like to say byweda. No more good morning. Right, Daddy, shorty. Your turn. Byweda.
Oreda.
Daddy. Next, Daddy, no more good night. No star. Shorty, Daddy, your turn.
No, sir.
Last challenge for this week, Daddy.
There's more.
Yeah. Come on, Daddy, you can do it. Right, Daddy. In the morning, you need to tell us to go and get some things.
Yes, you're right. Get your bag, get your shoes, get your water bottle, get your fruit money, get your fruit, everything.
Okay, Daddy. So you can say, Carry order. Shorty, Daddy.
Carry all the.
Carry order.
Carry all the.
All.
Carry all the.
Do. Yeah,
So,
come on, Daddy. Concentrate.
carry all the.
Skate eye. Shorty, Daddy.
Skiddy eye.
Got. Carry all the got.
Carry all the got.
Ffroeth. Carry all the ffroeth.
Carry all the froith.
Right, Daddy, beth ydyn ni wedi dysgu heddiw? What do we learn today?
Bore da, nos da,
What about the tricky one?
carry all the.
Giant Daddy! Pob look, Daddy!
I think I might need it.